Hello there. How can we add multiple background layers in Adobe Illustrator project? As you can see, by default there is option of default artboard and you can place your image as a layer. And first of let's see two by default states. One is transparent artboard and the color of artboard. You can enable checkered transparency grid using shortcut key Shift plus Control plus D, or you can go to View, Show Transparency Grid. Or vice versa. Now you can by default choose background color of this artboard, but here I am about to teach you how to add separate layers for multi-background. Go to Layers, you can enable layers from Windows, Layers. Now click on the Tiles button on right top corner. Click on Add New Layer. Choose a name for your layer. Let's say this is white background layer. You can give a selection color to this new layer. Now go to Shapes tool and choose a rectangle tool. Draw an equal size of rectangle on your artboard. Go to Color Fill tool, select a color and add this color to the rectangle or say New Layer. You can change the color from Color Palette. Now add a new layer, again same procedure. Let's give light sky blue background name to this layer. And you can add another background shape from Shapes tools on this new layer. And you can add the color to this new layer from Color Palette. Now you can see you have two new backgrounds to your PNG transparent image. You can hide one or another or both and you can see the effect. If both background are hidden, it will show a transparent checkered background or it will show the enabled background. You can arrange the objects to front and backward positions. That's all for this video. Hope you guys receives value from this video. You can subscribe Waxall for more informational videos. Thanks.